Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on YouTube. No, just kidding. YOTU masks on Amazon, actually. But since we're on YouTube, I saw YOTU and I thought, no, not funny? Not funny. Okay. All right, well, let's open this box up and get started. You know, sometimes jokes land, but not on this channel. The goal of my jokes is so that one person thinks that they're funny, and that one person is me. Unfortunately, even that last joke failed me. All right. Wow. This is a box. This box gets box of the day. This is nice. It's soft touch, and I don't think I've seen cardboard this thick before. You can quote me on that. All right, individually sealed, like it. Let's get it in the clamper and talk about this mask. This is a very affordable mask, too. It's like $30 for 60 pieces. Holy shnikes. It's a clamp. That was a Dora the Explorer reference. Let's get it going. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. If you want to find out more about how this works, check out that link. All right. I like the box. I like the box. I can tell from the listing, however, that it's not a real KN95. But I don't know. I feel like the mind that created this box cares about quality. I'm feeling good about this from passing the standard. The airflow resistance breathability is 170 within KN95 standard, which has to be below 250 pascals. But still, it's pretty hard to breathe for a KN95. It's a very shiny material, isn't it? So if you want to quickly tell if something is a legitimate KN95, you just have to look on there. You see KN95, really hard to see, even in real life. GB2626, 2019, and you gotta have the manufacturer name. Why? It's so if this thing is outside of the packaging, you know the manufacturer, because if you have a bad experience with the manufacturer, it's just like you're driving around a Ford. Can you imagine if like Ford just sold a lot of Fords without the name on it? There's a reason they have to put their name on it, right? Okay, so this is it seems like pretty good construction. Way off. Why does it? Anytime you compliment a mask, try it at home. Try it. Be like, I think this mask is really great, and then try the ear loops. They'll break every time, guaranteed. So that was neat though, because that like really broke. So individually, I don't think it's going to break on your face though, which is the most important thing. I've seen better ear loops, but let's try the thing on. I like that they're individually packed. That's good. But if you're going to make a black mask, might as well make it black on both sides. I'm going to call this living inside of a Barbie box. It's like a freshly sealed Barbie box. You know, it's like it's very, very plasticky. It's very much the Chinese mask plastic smell, if you're familiar with that. And since I test masks, I am. All right. But does any of that matter if it doesn't protect you? Let's check it out. The reason you're all here, PFE machine. Ooh, wow, we have not had luck with these today, man. 63.733, 63.733. So you could tell it was a fake KN95 because it didn't have the right information on the actual mask. You could even see that by looking at the Amazon listing, right? They're banking on the fact that you haven't read the 57-page KN95 standard, which you probably haven't. Probably because you have more and better things to do. But also they're not meeting the standard, which means this mask is not going to protect you. I would not trust this mask. I wouldn't use it. Hard to breathe, doesn't protect you. Good price. Great box. Great box. We'll give them that. We'll give them that. That's YOTU. You made a great box. Whoever was in charge of the box, you should have them put them in charge of making masks and maybe you'll have a better one. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will catch you on that next test.